They say a healthy home is a happy home. But what if your floors could actually help improve the air that you breathe? Today we're taking a look at Lauzon Flooring, a company that is redefining hardwood. With stunning designs and an eco-conscious approach, Lauzon helps homeowners create spaces that look and feel good. Let's take a look. Today we're here with David Lauzon Jr., who's the Vice President of Lauzon Hardwood Floors.
Today we're in our showroom in Denver, Colorado, where we have our unique set of samples that we did in partnership with Total Floors. Our mission at Lauzon is making the world's finest hardwood floors. We want to embellish homes, but doing it with renewable resources in a sustainable way. So Lauzon's the only hardwood manufacturer in North America to really control from the tree in the forest to the final piece of wood we sell. The vertical integration is very important to us, and that's how Mr. Lauzon's built his business, really to control every single aspect from the tree in the forest to the final piece of wood that we sell for a few different reasons, but again, make sure the environmental commitment is there. So currently it's our own guys going in the forest and making sure we harvest properly, but as well the quality aspect, which has always been our main focus. Indoor air pollution is a massive problem in North America. People don't realize it. A lot of the attention is put on outside air pollution, but indoor air can be 5 to 10 times worse than outside. We added technology like Pure Genius that will decompose any type of organic compounds in your home. So what Pure Genius is, it's a photocatalytic technology, technology that will be activated by light, whether it's indoor light or outdoor light, but will decompose any type of organic compounds in your house. VOCs, main one being formaldehyde, but odor molecule, mold, mildew, bacteria, so we'll really clean your indoor air.
I'm Melissa Mitchell. I'm in marketing at Total Floors. In order to ensure the highest quality product, we're working with Weatherly Homes and Lauzon to finish their home with a beautiful hardwood floor. Our goal at Total Floors is to recommend the best possible product. So we love that Lauzon is committed to sustainable practices, ensuring that products are environmentally friendly as well as responsibly sourced. They offers unique features like the titanium finish, which helps enhance the durability of the hardwood that you're putting into your home, and a wide range of looks and finishes that is very useful in helping us to find the perfect match for any kind of home. Lauzon's display has been a huge hit, especially some of the more prominent colors that you're not used to seeing. They've been very popular, and it's a beautiful addition to the showroom.
My name's Greg Farrell, President of Weatherly Homes. We're a luxury home builder here in Denver, Colorado. You know, their product is superior to other products that are out there. You're getting their track record with their material, right? And their customer satisfaction. They're willing to go above and beyond to do what it takes to make a customer happy.
Sometimes when talking about hardwood flooring, people can be concerned, right? Because at the end of the day, we're cutting trees. But there is a way called selective cutting in harvesting trees that, again, I have more timber in my forest today than I had 40 years ago when we started. So doing it the proper way makes the total difference and guarantees that there's going to be, again, hardwood floors for all the generations to come. I don't think I know a person that loves trees more than Mr. Lauzon does, and he does everything he can to preserve them. It's just trees in their life come at a certain point where they stop growing, full of carbon. They don't, again, contribute positively to the carbon cycle, and that's the trees we select to cut and make hardwood floors with, and leave the young generation to grow for the next 20 to 30 years.
So there you have it. Lauzon Flooring not only looks great, but with Pure Genius technology, it actually helps clean the air in your home. If you're looking for stylish, health-friendly flooring, definitely check them out. To learn more about Lauzon Flooring, visit lauzoncollection.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv.